I don't know some I don't know ya wayala mogu. It's work me, it's work who, it's work my, it's work really. It's work more boy, it's work more, it's work man on record. Hey, but where do you know who is who? We all know who we are. We all know who we are. You know who you are. I know who I am. Anybody in this world know who or she is, and you know what is capable of. But do you know? Be careful. Someone you say is your enemy, you insult, you embarrass, you fight with, you disgrace that person. At the end, that person is not your best friend. You are not telling that person what the things about you. I never went on my ninyo mama or young. When no boy are they were. No Bob making out of them when I work back in Odono. Oh, away my okay. I forgive you now. Am I God? I'm not God. Oh, I forgive you. No, my sister here, my brother here. Don't you know people are wicked? Many people act like they are innocent. They are devilish innocent. They will do anything, whatever it may take, for them to accomplish their mission. To revenge, to take that person's life, to destroy that person totally. Because it's not everybody that say, okay, I forgive you, that really meant it. That is why you need to be careful what you say out of your mouth. It's easy to say, to take it back. To take it back. This mouth can kill. It can also save you. It's a deadly weapon. It is our mouth. What you say out of your mouth can save you. It can kill you. Be careful. People are wicked. People are evil. Anybody living in this world, you need to be prayerful to know who that person really is. Do you know who is your enemy? It's only through prayer that prayer can make you to see through that person. Or the prayer, the things you do, will make that person to do something that will really know that will make you to know that this person is a really bad person. We all know whom we are. Do you know who is who? That is why you need to be prayerful. You need to know how to slow to speak and fast to hear. Know how you say things to people. Know how you do things around people. It's not everybody that laughs with you that really happy with your good news or happy with you. No. People are wicked. Some people, they pretend. Here are pretending. I'm here where or my singing. They are up to something. They do whatever I do. Some people just do like puppy face. Like nice. Like too good. Like you know the key flower, you know the hot person. Yes, so she too good, she too kind, she too gallant. But the heart is darker than something you can't even imagine. That person like that you say is your friend that is kind to you, have that kind of evil heart. That is why no matter how you are close to friends, telling your friends about some certain things, there are things you need to keep, take it personal, like keep it as your own secret. You don't need to be exposing all your life history, or how the way you are blessed, how you are doing this to your friend. He may be happy with you there. Then he is planning a way, wanting or the other to destroy you. You may not know. But if you know how to work on yourself, protect yourself, he or she will run away from you. He will do something that, you will see that this person is really evil. Because as far as you have seen the true color of that person, he or herself will be running away from you. Then you will know how to be doing things around that person. Prayer is the key. We all know whom we are. But do you know who is who? Asi koko ai ni roro etu eko gi awe ami won recover. E wa no goma ge osioma. E wa no goma gogo e ogele gogo se koya. Ani ro we na ya tene gbo mama o wi won. And I'm here where, or one where me down, no where, Jojania. Only old way do I tell it be where mine, or money. Oh, yeah, you way at ye, boo wegbe. If I saw one, make booming, really, eh, mine. Why go and marry your Kirevo before it's too late? Or Boke Vasika, where Kirevo, brother, Kirevo, sister, or one where me down there. We want to won't forgive you. My echo even or year where tea and water and we're okay. And Bessie the quarrel they go rest. And I know because now I hear my brother here. It is verse that day the thing they boil, that day the thing they hot. You don't know what thing don't quick and go do with anger, destroy. You don't know. Then at the end, you can use a papa like your man like come to waka. Come meet that person because they tell her the story of your life. You just want to make it made the work easy for her. I want to grab you. Why will you do that? You can be able to say that he forgive you. You need to walk away from that person, cut that person out of your life, and make sure be prayerful so that what he or she say to you, he forgive you, so that he will make it. He will really believe, forgive you sincerely from the bottom of his heart or her heart. So that is the only thing you can even work on for protection. You don't trust people these days. Even your own flesh and blood, you can't trust people, trust them these days. Nothing they can't, there's nothing that is not, people are not capable of doing. It's only prayer that can protect you. That does not mean you should not mingle with people. You should have friends, it's okay. But be careful. With the prayer, the way you are protecting yourself, believe me, you will always identify who is your enemy. Or the man. Emini said where's on one like, but what man? I want here will be and tell you wrong. Again, no, I have big no one here. On my dive, you know, where to go out and go as they say, or can I man where, or my don't want you. And you only can well be careful how you say things, how you do things, how you hurt people's feelings. For real, things you say, you can never take it back. We all know who we are. Do you know who is who? No. That is why you need to be prayerful to protect yourself so that you can know who is who. Greetings to you all. This is Princess Savannah.